Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly customize the live captions text color on your iPhone and iPad. Live captions make it pretty easy to follow conversations, videos, and audio content on your iPhone or iPad, but the default text appearance may not be ideal for everyone. Changing the text color can improve readability, reduce eye strain, and help captions stand out more clearly against different backgrounds. That's it. Let's get started. So, first, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose the accessibility option in the sidebar. After that, you have to head over to the hearing section and choose Live Captions. After that, you have to tap on the appearance option. And under the color options section, tap on text color. Now you can perfectly fine tune the text color of live captions to your heart's liking. And for a more personalized appearance, you can also tweak the ideal opacity of live captions. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily fine tune the live captions text color on your iOS or iPadOS device. Personalizing the caption appearance can make audio content more accessible and enjoyable, especially if you use live captions regularly. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.